In the meantime, the heavy wind and rough seas also brought distress to some fishermen in Port Royal.
I get my boat out of the water like from Thursday evening. A lot of people never get them out till today or yesterday. Some people start get out them one. But we never normally see the wind this strong for this long. But it's normally an annual thing this time of year where we get some north wind. But for this day or this for the past 2-3 days, it lasts longer than normal and more intense. So it caught a lot of people by surprise. So hence a lot of boat get swamp and minor damage and things.
I went to my bed and just a little mind to check on the boat like about 3 o'clock when I come out. Saw the boat sink, turn over. So I couldn't call the help that time because it was so rough. Yeah, so.
Was it always like this?
No.
This kind of system? Somebody said that, you know, Port Royal has always seen this kind, experienced this, but it has been the longest.
It was the longest while we got this kind of cold front here. For now we know we get that nothing, but not so terrible. So we always try to protect the boat. But we tie up and we did not know it's actually so intense. So we just actually lay back a little. Because I've been done better still, but we never know it could come worse like this.